Hello and welcome to NetSecurity's Threat Responder Training for Managed Security Service Providers. In this session, we'll walk you through how to administer the Threat Responder Management Console from an MSSP perspective. You'll learn how to onboard new customers, deploy agents, configure detection policies, and manage roles, all while seeing how your view differs from what your customers see when they log in. After logging into the console with your MSSP credentials, you'll notice the Companies menu in the top navigation bar. This menu is exclusive to MSSPs and provides a centralized view of all the customer tenants under your management. It also provides a billing section where you can download monthly reports of the endpoint usage of your customers and forensic scans, which might be charged separately depending on your agreement with NetSecurity. To onboard a new customer, simply click on Add Company. Give the company a name and optionally upload their logo. Keep in mind that the logo must meet size requirements since it appears in the top right corner of their portal and needs to fit without distortion. Next, select which modules you'd like to activate for the company. You can only enable modules that are already licensed for your MSSP tenant. Now let's walk through the actions that you can perform for each customer or company. Each company has its own launchpad, a setup wizard that packages the installer with the company's unique ID. You can download agents for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, or generate a deployment link to send directly to the customer. This embedded company ID ensures each deployed agent knows where to report and how it should be assigned within the platform. From the MSSP view, user administration is split into two areas: global user management, for managing your own MSSP operators, and company-level user management, accessed via the User Management tab for each company. Here you can create users and assign custom roles that define exactly what each user can access. Each company's detection policy can be configured independently. There are two modes: Detect, which only generates alerts without blocking, and Protect, which actively blocks detected threats. All detection engines, threat intelligence, behavior, document and script, and anti-exploit, and so on, are either set to detect or protect. You can't mix them individually. You can also define endpoint groups per company, servers, or workstations. This is useful when applying different policies to different asset types. For example, you might keep servers in detect mode initially, in the first days of the deployment, to verify that no false positives occur before switching them to protect. Another key difference of the MSSP console compared to the customer view is the ability to filter data across tenants. In modules such as Rover Management, Alerts, and Hunt, you'll see a company selector or search bar and a separate column with the company name. This allows you to view all data across tenants, filter by a specific company, perform cross-tenant threat hunting. In upcoming videos, we'll dive into each module in more detail, focusing on how they function from the customer's perspective. The core functionality remains the same, but your MSSP view adds the ability to manage, view, and filter data across all customer environments. Thanks for watching.